How to find Birthyear privacy settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find Birthyear privacy settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then go down again. Here you will find profile information and then go down until you find your birthday, click on it and then here you will find this icon. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.